Hey everybody, Carl here from Apt, and this is a quick first look at the brand new Sony Z9K series. This is the newest 8K mini LED TV from Sony, and we're going to show you how to unbox it. We're going to show you the accessories that come in the box, and then give our first impressions of the picture, so stay tuned. And here are all of the accessories that come in the box. Starting off, we've got the newly redesigned premium Sony remote control. So you do get a backlit remote here, and it does have the remote finder built in, along with some batteries. Then we've got a power cord. We've got some zip ties for cable management. Then we've got a couple of pieces that are going to be used when you're mounting the TV to the wall. So those two little brackets you don't need to use, or the two screws underneath them unless you're mounting the TV. Then we've got the pedestal feet with some screws to attach those to the television. Then we've got the Sony Bravia cam and a little cover plate for that, followed lastly by all of the cover plates for the back of the TV. So those are going to cover up any kind of exposed areas and make the back of the TV look really clean. And then we've got our setup guide. All right, so as you can hopefully tell through whatever screen you're watching this video on, the picture quality on this thing is absolutely amazing. It's just hard to describe in words. It's really bright, colors are really saturated. It just looks really good. It comes with the Sony Bravia cams. This is the first TV we've gotten to look at that comes with that accessory. It comes with Sony's new backlit kind of premium remote control that has the remote finder feature built into it. So we get a couple of cool things here that we haven't seen on the other Sony TVs yet. As always, we're going to do an overview video on this one and sort of get into a little more of the finer details, so stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.